Let's go there. Alright, mount your camera on a tripod using landscape. You get my point? So you can record yourself walking in. Here you don't even need to record an empty background because we don't need an empty background here. So just record yourself walking in. Then I was using plywood. So you can use anything as your shield. You get my point? Then try to cover yourself as if something was coming towards you. You get my point? So when you are done, you do some kind gestures like this, then you walk away and save the video to your gallery and head over to Capcut. Now on Capcut, click on new project, import the video you just recorded to Capcut. So guys, please like this video so YouTube can distribute it to many other people. You get my point? So guys, I will tap on this layer here because I will have to delete some parts at the beginning of the video. You know, there are some mistakes and there is how I want my video to start. So from here I will tap on this layer, tap on split, then delete the beginning of the video because this is how I want my video to start. I want it to start from here. So you can do same, something like that. So I will go to the ending part of it, how I want it to end. So I will just tap on the layer, maybe from here, tap on the layer, then tap on split, then delete the ending part of the video. So this is how I want my video to end, this is how I want it to start. So what I will do again from here is I'll have to bring my effect, tap on overlay, tap on add overlay to bring the green screen effect. So look at it here. So from here you will have to go and look for remove BG, click on it, tap on chroma key. So take this circle to where to show green completely. Now tap on intensity, bring it to 50. You get my point? Leave it at 50. So tap on shadow, bring it to 100. Leave the shadow at 100. Then tap on your screen, place 2 fingers on your screen, adjust it to fit to screen, just like what you are seeing. You get my point? Then when you are done with that one, let's see how it's going to be. Look at it there. Then what you would need to do from here is adjusting it to when the fire is coming out from the mouth, from the animal's mouth. Then you use your shield to cover it. You get my point? So that's what we are going to do from here. Just do a little adjustment from here. So guys, to get this effect, you go to footagecrate.com. you get the effect from there. You get my point? From there they sell it either at $7, $10 and so on, this particular effect. But if you reach out to me on WhatsApp, you get my point. If you're a complete beginner, you want to learn about video editing and how to get this effect for free without paying, any effect of your choice for free without paying, chat me up on WhatsApp. You get my point? I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about this. You understand? So if you've not subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe, like and share this video. Please take note, if you're chatting me on WhatsApp, it is not free. I will charge you, though it's not much, very little. So that is just it. So you do the adjustment, make sure everything aligns together. So now I have to add another effect from here. So I'll tap on add overlay. Now bring another effect. Understand? Now go to remove BG. Now click on chroma key. Move this circle to where it shows green. Understand? So what you do from here, increase the intensity to 100. So you can increase the shadow to 30. Just leave it at somewhere 30. Somewhere 30. You get my point? So guys, please like this video. You get my point? So this is how it's going to be. Just adjust it. You can turn this effect to make sure it's on the shield. Understand? Make sure it's on the shield. You turn it to to be splashing on the shield. Something like what you're seeing on your screen. Something like this. You get my point? Just let me know in the comment section. You get my point, guys. Turn on the bell notification icon so you'll be notified whenever I drop another amazing tutorials. That one will help. You get my point? So let's see what we got. Ha ha ha. Guys, don't you like what you see? Don't you like? Share this video now. Like this video. You get my point? So you can now save your video to your gallery. Understand? See you in our next video.